Let's make chicken pot pie and talk about how my baby very well could be 9 pounds. Okay? Let's talk about it. Today, I went to my doctor appointment for a regular routine anatomy scan, which basically is just where they take measurements of the baby and they can give you like an estimated size of what the baby is measuring right now, and it's actually really cool. By the way, 4 tablespoons of butter, 3 carrots, and 4 pieces of celery. Don't eat that. Now, I don't know if I've ever, straight up mentioned it, but I definitely have alluded to the fact that my pregnancy with my daughter was high risk. And that was because at 21 weeks, they thought that my water broke, which is not good. And so we had to just, monitor her very closely for the rest of the pregnancy. And then I ended up having her a little bit early, and she weighed 6 pounds, 4 ounces. And so because she was so little, I think a part of me just thought that this baby was going to be little too. Wrong. Very wrong. Obviously, every pregnancy is different, but I think just because my daughter was, 6 pounds, I just assumed that he would be 6 pounds too. So that's why when they told me that today, I was like, whoa. So anyway, today was a really good day. I'm really excited. I'm really excited for him to be here and to meet him and to have Kennedy and Dexter meet him too. Today also was really good weather for the first time in what feels like a month. So anyway, that's that. I cooked my veggies in the butter for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna add in a 1/4 cup of flour. My husband just reminded me about that time that I was in labor and he ordered takeout and ate it in front of me. Honey, you are so sweet.
I did ask you wanted something.
Yeah, hon, but you knew I couldn't eat. I'm gonna add in 2 cups of chicken broth. And then 1 cup of heavy cream. They're playing their new game. And I love Kennedy's little giggles. I'm gonna add some black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more salt. In my opinion, the secret ingredient is dill. It's so good in this, I promise you. It is just so good. I let my mixture simmer for about 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my rotisserie chicken. You could make chicken fresh for this if you wanted, but I don't feel like making chicken tonight. And this just works so well, so. Look at how good that looks. I added my mixture into a baking dish, and now I'm gonna top it off with 2 sheets of puff pastry. I'm not making puff pastry from scratch, so I just buy it at the grocery store. Ooh, this feels broken. Is it cracked? No. Let's evaluate. Oh, what happened? Okay, well, I guess we're going to put it on in little pieces. That's okay, it'll still taste good. I get just a little bit of heavy cream and drizzle it on top, and then I'm going to brush my crust with it. You could also use egg wash. I just think it's easier to use the heavy cream, but egg wash will work as well. And usually it's easier, but I've got all these pieces here, so I'm just gonna do the best I can. I'm gonna put a baking sheet underneath it, just in case anything bubbles up. I'm gonna put a baking sheet under this, and this is gonna cook at 400 for 30 minutes. All right, it does not look that bad, the puff pastry. Kind of looks like I meant to do that. Ooh, yes. All right, we're gonna go eat this, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.